Today we are trying something new, an acrylic paint dip on foam to make a super easy set of flower pieces that you can try at home and simple enough to even try while on holiday. Let me show you just how you can do it yourself. I'm officially on holiday. I'm so excited. I thought of making a holiday series. I will be going away in 2 days anyway. And I thought, how about making a short series, something very easy that you can do when you are away, that you can do with your family, friends, just enjoy yourself. And I feel like messing about and just enjoying myself today. I made quite a complex piece last week. So now I feel like, yeah, let's just have some fun. I will be working on a small canvas. I think this is 25 by 25. And I'm thinking of a dip, proper nice dip in the style of maybe Fiona. But of course I want to try something new. So I thought, I've seen people dipping on the table, cling film, bubble wrap, on aluminium foil, but I've never seen people dipping on sponge. And yeah, don't worry, I'm not going to pour paint here because that would be insane. But what we need is some kind of a soft surface. I thought I need something soft. If I just cover this with cling film, logistically, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Yeah, more than enough. Okay, probably one of the silliest ideas of mine. Yeah, masking tape is not the best idea. A regular sellotape. Let's try sellotape. Oh yeah. Why did I even think of this? Because I do have all the leftovers from the flowers that I called it the British pour. I've got the pinks, I've got the blues. So we've got magenta, purple. This was actually purple with phthalo blue, sky blue, turquoise, green. This is neon purple. This is pre-mixed paint by Arteza. Now, I could skip this step, but it always helps. Because the canvas is white, I'm going to cover it with the same blue that I want to use for my background. It's not necessary, however, I think it helps because some sections may not get covered properly, some sections might not be uniform, so it does help. Just a quick layer. The background might be even a bit darker, that's all right. You see, quick cover. It's a little bit more purpley than this blue, but it's navy with purple. Oh, by the way, inside we've got one part of paint, one part of Floetrol. Can you see the consistency? And a bit of water. Not that much. It's actually thicker than the paint I used for my hairdryer. Not sure. Should I add some gold to it? Should I?
A few moments later.
Well, I don't have gold, but I have silver. Okay. I'm going to make a little mark here, here, here and here for myself to know that I shouldn't go further than that with my paint. Move it. Let's cover the background with this. This color is called indigo. Perfect indigo now when I look at it. It's neither blue nor purple. It's funny spreading it over a sponge. It feels so soft. Well, let's just say the edges are more important than the midsection. I've decided to add white. I am going to use a pipette, as I'm not sure how I want the flower to look. So, it's going to be something nondescript. Okay, we've got this. We've got this. Now I can fill the petals with all kinds of colors. I don't really need to use the pipette anymore, I don't think so. Pinks. So I'm going for lighter, the effect lighter at the edges, darker inside, which of course will not be precise by any means. Okay, I've got a bit of pink. Now what else are we having? Oh, we're having this pretty one. Now this. Okay. What else? What else is left? Well, I'll add a little bit of silver. Just a little. Wasn't sure about it. Little bonus here. Now we've got this darker green. I'm hoping it's going to look nice with the blue, but we'll see. I am so curious. I did some dips at the beginning of the channel, but long time ago. Oh, this. You can't go wrong with turquoise, can you? That's from my blue flower. Now this is going to be covered as well with the same background color. I don't want it really painted, I want it moist. Ready? Yes. Oh, that feels so nice. So spongy. Oh, interesting. There's one part that I'm not keen on is this. The rest is really nice. Should I dip it again? A bit more color. The midsection wasn't behaving well. Now it's going to look a little bit different. Who cares? You know, we wanted fun, didn't we? Yeah, I was so happy with the rest. How did I put it? Think like this. Okay. Now I might completely mess it up. Okay, we've got this. I think I can work with it. See what happens if we add something on top. So I'll put this away for now. I've got another small canvas and I want to use it. I think I'll make it flower a little bit smaller. I do like this crazy background. Let's see what happens now. Now I basically want to use the paint that's already here, and I am not going to cover the canvas background. I found some gold, I believe. Now we've got crazy green. This is so colorful. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've got another canvas, the same size, but it's white. So we'll see whether all the edges are covered or not. I am going to put something heavy in the middle, so it's going to be the last thing I will lift up. Wow! Oh, this is insanity! Do you like it? I do have to. I'm going to actually press a piece of paper here to make it look cool. Now, if you want to, with the leftover paint, you can add some detail. Like, for example, I don't know, like want a little bit more green here, or else maybe here. See, so they kind of looks more like a lotus flower now. You can play with your design. It's all wet, so you can basically tweak it a little bit. Sort of think where your center is if you want to define your center a little bit. Now also, before it gets dry, this is a very good time to paint the edges if you didn't cover them using the same paint. Now this is the first one, and I'm wondering, can I tweak it as well? Maybe I should add this crazy color. What do you think? Or will I regret it? In the middle a little bit, and then we can compare which one is better. One crazy, one less crazy. Oh, look, with a brush I could actually use this and make a little bit of a central piece. Why not? I'm trying to add this little crazy color here. This is the outcome of my fun experiment. It's dry. It's less than 12 hours later. It's been so hot here. No cracks, anything. And now I am left with a choice. I can embellish some of the petals and I can just leave them be. There are some lines here, but I could enhance them even more. I do have some definition, various sections, but I can see those lines. I can make them thicker. They look like drawn, don't they? Choice what you do with this once it's ready. It's like a Georgia O'Keeffe fancy flower. Very atmospheric. What about adding darker color? Let's try this. I don't consider that necessary. It's only if you fancy something like that. And I'm not trying to make it like I did with my big pieces. This was supposed to be quick, fun. We're on holiday. We are making something pretty, enjoying ourselves, and yeah, we are happy with the outcome. Maybe I should add the lilac metallic to the center. I think with this lilac, there's no need actually for silver. It's metallic. It looks like silver, but it's lilac. So we've got this. So this was just an example of a very easy, quick holiday pour. But I have to show you the crazy one, because the second one that I did is absolutely insane. Look at the colors. What do you think? This is like... And again, we can embellish this. I don't think I'm going to do it now. I just wanted to show you. So this one's got this gold. Crazy, aren't they? Enjoy, have fun. I'm going to do another episode for unusual items used during holidays, so stay tuned. There we are. Let me know if you enjoyed this technique in the comments, and if you're looking for more content, you can find extended versions of my tutorials on Patreon each week. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all next Saturday. Bye bye!